Hello everyone, Gerald here. Before we start, I just want to take a moment to thank you for your support, your understanding and your faith in us. Without you, there is no us. Hence, thank you. We have some important announcements to make today, as well as some stories and thoughts we want to share with you. So please watch till the end of the video. We've been listening to you and we truly appreciate every single piece of feedback you have shared with us. We have received a lot of positive feedback praising the Aventus new design, structural improvements and overall performance of the Aventus airbrush. However, some of you also raised valid concerns around quality control, perceived value and consistency in craftsmanship. Hence, we are here to provide you with an official statement as well as resolution for this matter. First and foremost, Gaahleri has always been a brand driven by strong commitment to innovate, and it's because of this commitment that we've earned the trust and support of so many of you. However, we also recognize that innovation can bring unforeseen challenges, and we want to be clear. We do not believe these challenges should ever fall on our customers. We take full responsibility when issues arise and are prepared to make it right. Our goal was to ensure that the first production batch of the Aventus airbrush could be delivered on time for the holiday season, so our customers could enjoy them as meaningful gifts. Unfortunately, the compressed timeline and sudden surge of sales has led to some unexpected challenges. But now all issues have been resolved and the new batches of Aventus are up to standard. To make this right, and as a token of our appreciation for customers who are currently enjoying their Aventus airbrush, we have prepared a complimentary Aventus gift bag, including revised Aventus upgrade packs like the 0.2, 0.4mm needle nozzle sets, along with a full range of essential airbrush accessories, valued over $200 to enhance your Aventus experiences. Also, we are offering the following resolutions to any customers who are dissatisfied with their Aventus airbrushes. An unconditional replacement of the Aventus airbrush with a brand new revised unit in 1 to 2 weeks' time, while we gather your information, confirming your order, and arrange for shipping from our main factory. A gift card of equivalent value of your purchase with no restrictions, that can be used across multiple future orders at any time, or a full refund if you prefer. If you have purchased the Aventus airbrush before, please look out for an email from us in the next 24 hours with all the details and how to get your resolution. If you don't see it, just reach out to us directly. We are here to help. We truly value both our products and our users. This is why we put such a strong emphasis on after-sales support. We are committed to always taking responsibility when issues arise. Thanks to your trust and continued support, we are able to grow, improve, and continue innovative to create the best possible products for you. When Mobius airbrushes first launched, we heard similar concerns about its structure, durability, and craftsmanship. It wasn't easy to hear, but it was fair. We learned that no product is born perfect, and Mobius airbrushes didn't become what it is today overnight. It grew through parts replacements and revisions, honest feedbacks from you guys, and several manufacturing refinements. That journey taught us something, that criticism isn't a setback. It's part of innovation and progress. Today, the Mobius airbrushes are stable, mature, trusted, and recognized. Not because we defended our early decisions, but because we are willing to adapt and change. When you choose Gaahleri and try something new with us, everything that comes after is our responsibility. The risk of innovation should never fall on our users. That's our one principle. You never need to fear being the first, as we don't see you as a tester. We see you as our partner. Whether it's structure, craftsmanship, or experience, we will keep refining and innovating until it's right. We pushed ourselves because we wanted to make a real difference in the world of airbrushes. We are not here to settle for good enough. We are here to keep improving and keep innovating for you. That's why, to better serve you, we are building our own knowledge base. We are excited to announce that our Gaahleri support platform will launch soon, bringing you a one-stop place for solutions, so you can always find answers, tutorials, and everything you need. The team is working behind the scenes on writing and shooting new materials for every product we have. Soon, you will be able to search for solutions directly on our website. Other than that, we are also developing our own Kaleido color mixing website, where you can experiment with your own shade of color and its formula online, based on the Kaleido Colorworks color palette, without wasting a single drop of your own paints. You also can upload your own image, pick a color, and let us figure out the formula of the color you want, based on the colors you have in your inventory. Both support and color mixing website will be available to you by the first quarter of 2026. Changing the game isn't a slogan to us. It's a commitment we live by every day. We will keep evolving our tools. We will keep challenging assumptions. But in the end, the ones who truly change the world of creation aren't us, it's you. We build the tools, you change the game. From the bottom of our hearts, thank you. Carpe diem.